Hello guys, today let us know how to fetch the host name and the system current use date and time using Python program. So for working with host name, we need to import a module called socket. So this module is available in our Python standard library and it provides the access to the BSD socket interface. So what's this BSD socket interface? This is a set of standard function calls actually. BSD socket is a set of standard function calls that can be used in any application. So this provides all the programmers to interact with the internet communication to their codes. So let us see how we can develop the code. So next, for date and time, we will be again importing a module called date time. So this module is also available in a Python standard library. Now we'll call the function for getting the host name. Say host name equal to socket socket dot get host name. Then for getting the system current date and time, x, or just for x, date time dot date time dot now print host name, and then we'll go for again print system date and time. Date and time. So let us run the program. This is not the run. So here you go. My system's host name is Pro, and the system date and time, if you see, it's in the format of year, month, date, and then we have the system date and time. However, we can change this format. Let us change the format to, so y equal to x dot strf time. So this is the format of changing the date and time. So let's see, we'll have year, we'll have month, we'll have date, we'll have hour slash, we have minute, we have and second, and we're running this y. Let us see. Sorry, it should be strf time. So it should work now. Okay. If you see here, we have the host name as Pro, and we have the system date and time as year, month. Oh, something. Okay, sorry. I need to put it in a small format. So this it is getting a problem. Okay, there we go. So we have the system date and time as a year, month, and date, and then we have the time in hour, minute, second, and we don't have the microsecond part here. So this is how the format is. So make sure, guys, you should have this in smaller letters as year, month, date, YMD is smaller, and for hour, minute, second, it should be in capital. So hope you have understood this, how we can fetch the host name and the date and time from using Python program. If you have liked my video, please press like button, and for more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.